starting with All Dashing to show you how to use and apply these stick-on nails. So basically, All Dashing is a company that makes instant manicures and press-on nails, and they make manicures and pedicures, and they have all different styles and patterns and colors. So what I'm going to be doing in this video today is I'm going to be applying one of the manicures to my nails and showing y'all how to do it too, and make sure to stick to the end to hear more about a giveaway that I'm doing with All Dashing. So if you're interested in hearing more about the giveaway, make sure to watch all the way to the end of this video. So basically here I have 3 sets of nails, 2 are for the manicures and one's a pedicure set, and they're really cute designs too. So first I have this one's my favorite actually. It's a cute little leopard print nail set that has also pinks and yellows, and then the leopard print accent nail, which is so adorable. And then I also have a set that has a very pretty orange color with some daisies, I think they are, for the accent nails, and I absolutely love this color. And then for the pedicure, I have this really pretty like opalescent diamond pattern nails that are very fun and shifty. And the packaging for these are quite nice. You can see all of the designs of the nails through a little plastic window on all of these sets. And then it's kind of a simple, minimalistic, but cute pattern on the box. And then of course on the back it tells you exactly how to use the nails, so it's pretty simple. So let's get on with how to use the nails. So these nails are actually very simple to apply. They're different than some other manicure sets in a way that you don't use a glue to apply them. You actually use an adhesive pad, which makes for very easy application and removal. And also, since it's using an adhesive rather than an actual glue, it will not damage your nails like any glue set will. So how to apply these nails, it has the instructions on the back of it. So first you will look through, they actually have 30 different nail sizes, and so you'll choose which ones fit each of your nails perfectly, or which one fits the best. And then if you're in between 2 sizes, it's best to go with the smaller size. And then these actually also come with a nail prep pad, so that you can use that to wipe your nail down before using the nails, because it'll create a better stick. And then to apply the nails, they actually have the adhesive already on them, so you just peel off the tab to reveal the adhesive underneath, and then you stick it on your nail tab side down, and then you're supposed to hold and press for only 15 seconds. And then after the 15 seconds, it should be stuck on pretty well. And then lastly, you can also file the nail down to whatever shape or size that you want, if they're too long or if you prefer a different shape. And the set actually includes a little miniature nail file with it. And then removal is also pretty easy. You just peel it off with a manicure stick that is also included in the nail set. And if it doesn't come off easily, then you can soak it in warm water or even use some nail remover around the edges, and it should come off easily after that. So now I'm going to open this set and show you everything that is included. So here's everything that comes in the box. First, it comes with all of the nails. There are 30 different nail pieces in 6 different sizes in this, so they should work on most nails. They also come with an extra set of adhesive tabs for reapplication, because these nails are reusable. So after you take them off, you can remove the adhesive that is already on them and then put on a new adhesive and just stick them back onto your nails, which is really great because that means that they're not just one-use nails. You can use them multiple times, and they're cute, so who wouldn't want to use these multiple times? And then also in here we have a tiny package. So this package comes with 2 little nail prep pads, a miniature emery board that is literally adorable, and the manicure removal stick so that you can take off and reuse your nails. So now I'm going to open up and show you the nails. The ones that I'm going to be applying today are the little cheetah print ones because they are my favorite. They're absolutely adorable. So here's one of the little cheetah print nails. They're very soft and malleable, so they'll fit to the shape of your nail very easily. And so they are very lightweight and soft, and they will not break easily because they are very malleable. So that's really great, so that it can stay on as long as possible and it shouldn't chip off at all. And so since they won't break easily, they should be very easy to reuse as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply these to my nails, which I'm super excited about because my nails are bare and I have not done anything with them for a while. And so now I'm going to do my own little at-home manicure. So let's move to a different angle so I can show you how to apply these adorable nails. Okay, so the first thing that you'll see me do is go through all the nails and decide which ones fit on my nail beds best so that I can get the best fit for the nail. So I'm just going through and trying on each nail on my nail bed, and then of course deciding which one I like best, and then setting it out in front of me so that I have easy access to put them on my nails and so that I don't get them mixed up. So I'm just doing that right now. Okay, so the next thing that I'm doing is I'm going ahead and opening the nail prep packet that they included, and I'm going to be wiping down all of my nails with this little packet. And I'm doing this so that the nails will stick better on my nail bed, because using this will give the nails the best stick and help them to last the longest. So now I'm going to go ahead and start the actual nail application. So to do this, you will just line up the nail with the tab side towards your nail bed, and then you will remove the plastic covering the adhesive by the tab, and you will stick the nail down onto your nail bed, and then press and hold for 15 seconds to get the best stick, and then you'll go ahead and do that with every single nail. Also, so as I've mentioned before, you can actually reapply these nails. So now I'm going to show you how you do that. So these nails are supposed to last about 2 weeks, and then after your nails grow out, then you can just take them off and reapply them. So you just take them off with the little cuticle stick that they also include in the package. And you can also soak your nail bed in warm water for a little bit to help it to come off easily, or you can use some nail polish remover around the edges, but it should come off pretty easily. And then to reapply it, the nail pack comes with reapplication adhesives that you can just stick onto the nail, and then you can stick that onto your actual nail bed, and then it's good as new. Okay, so I just applied the nails, and here are what they look like. You should have seen some close-up clips of them as well, and I am in love. They are literally so adorable. I absolutely love cheetah print, so I love that these incorporate cheetah print into the design. And also I'm excited to try out the little daisies as well later, and the cute little pedicure. So honestly, applying them was so quick and easy, which I love. I've tried different glue on manicures, but I've never really liked using them because the glue of course can destroy your nails, and the glue is very messy and can stick to anything. But these just have an adhesive that you can peel off and stick on, and the adhesive doesn't ruin your nails, which, as I showed in the clip where I removed and reapplied the nail, it came off pretty easily. Of course, I only had it on for a few minutes, but my nail was completely fine underneath. So it's really great that they use an adhesive instead of a glue, and then you can make it any size that you want, but I decided not to because I actually do like the shape that the nails were already, like a slightly rounded but squared off shape. And the nails actually are fairly short on my nails. I do have a longer nail bed, but that can be good because sometimes longer nails are harder to deal with, and it's good to have a shorter option too. But I do think that they're very adorable. I love the coloring, love the cheetah print, and they feel pretty nice on my nails too. Okay, so now that I've showed you how to apply these nails and have applied them onto my own nails, y'all are probably wondering what the giveaway I was talking about was about. So basically I'm partnering with this nail company to do a giveaway for you people. So I'll link the All Dashing website and all of their links in the description, so you can go check that out if you're interested, as well as my Instagram and their Instagram. And for the giveaway, basically you have to go follow mine and their Instagram and keep an eye out for a post about it, because I will be posting on there. And then once I do post about it, then you will follow me and All Dashing, and you just have to tag friends in the comments of the post. So definitely go follow both of those accounts and keep an eye out for the giveaway coming very soon. And for the giveaway, you will win 2 of the All Dashing Instant Manicure sets, which is perfect because now you know how to apply them. So definitely go and enter the giveaway once it comes out. But in the meantime, you can always go check out their links and shop for yourself, because there are tons of cute designs in both manicure and pedicure styles. There are some simple designs, some fun, cute ones, colorful, shiny, shimmery. There's so many different designs. Another thing that's really great about these nails is that they are waterproof, so that you can go swimming in them, and also you don't have to worry about ruining them if you have to wash your hands a million times in a day. And these nails are non-toxic, in case you were wondering. And the company is all the time coming out with new cute designs. So if you like these nails and if you like this video, then go check out my Instagram and their Instagram and all of their links, and go enter in the giveaway, and also give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and check out some of my other videos as well. Anyways, thanks you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and my cute little nails. Make sure you subscribe if you liked it by hitting the button below or the icon on the corner of the screen, and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye!